my name is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you this two-car set, race cars for toddlers. So these are a really easy car for the toddlers to drive. They only have two buttons on them. They also make a lot of fun noises. So we've got kind of like more of the police car sound, and then that one does the honking. Let's show them how they work, bud. Can you drive your car? Okay. You push the buttons. Oh, button off. Push the other button. There you go. Oh, there you go. Good job. It goes in circles, huh? All right, put finger off that button. Finger off. Push the other button. Just a little bit. You're going to run it into mommy's leg. Push the button. Okay, push the back button. Push this one, this one. There you go. So again, this is the 2-pack of the toddler remote control cars, and they are made for ages 2 and up.